Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your social media with Buffer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start securing your social media with Buffer, visit the Buffer website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu located at the bottom left of the dashboard. In the settings section, find the security tab and click on it. The first step is to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. You will receive a verification code on your mobile device each time you log in. Next, review your connected social media accounts under the Accounts section. Ensure that only the accounts you actively use are linked to your Buffer account. Remove any accounts that you no longer use to minimize risk. Then, check your password strength. If your password is weak, update it to something more secure. A strong password typically contains uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, review the permissions granted to Buffer. Ensure that you're comfortable with the level of access Buffer has to your social media accounts. After that, regularly update your passwords and security settings. Consider setting reminders to change your passwords every few months. Lastly, keep an eye out for any suspicious activity on your connected accounts. If you notice anything unusual, take action immediately. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your social media security with Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.